Okay, so since the makeup look is so simple, we're going to focus a lot on the face. So make sure that you do not skip the face makeup. I know a lot of you do that. Make sure that this year you don't. So I went ahead and just applied my foundation and my concealer on my like dark circles, and then I applied it just now to my eyelids. And now I'm highlighting the face, the forehead, the bridge of my nose, my upper lip, and my chin, and then I'm blending that out, and I'm setting it with a setting powder. Now I'm going into contour my face, and generally you want to go from the top of your ear all the way down the line that connects to the corner of your mouth. Obviously, you don't make it one smooth line, you stop it about halfway through, but make sure that you make it dark enough to see from far away, and also make sure it's nice and blended so it doesn't look like a streak on your face. Now I'm applying my bronzer. I'm taking that from the bottom of my temple to the apples of my cheeks, and then I applied it to my forehead as well, and now I'm applying my blush. Making sure that when I'm finished with that, I am taking a dual fiber brush and I'm blending all of that out so that it's not quite so clown-like. I want it to look natural and pretty, so make sure that you blend it out and it looks all smooth. Then I'm applying my highlight to the tops of my cheekbones and my temples, and also to the bridge of my nose. And now I'm going in with a color that matches my skin tone, and I'm setting that concealer that is on my eyelid. That's so that the makeup that we put onto the eyes blends out nice and seamlessly. What I'm doing now is I'm taking the bronzer that I just used and I'm picking that up with an eyeshadow brush, and I'm putting that into the crease of my eye. The eyeshadow on this look is very natural, so that's why we're taking the bronzer, and I'm putting that in my crease and making sure that it's nice and dark. Make sure that you don't skip out on making that nice and visible. And then I'm taking a clean brush and I'm blending that out, buffing it up a little further, making sure it's very seamless and smoky, so that it looks really natural and pretty. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a smaller packing brush and I'm going to go into a eyeshadow that is a bit brighter than my skin tone, and I'm going to apply that onto the lid of my eye, making sure that I pack it on just enough so that it shows up whenever I look forward. This is just to give the eye some dimension. It's kind of contouring in a way, making your eyes look bigger and brighter. From here, I'm going to just simply deepen up those outer corners just a little bit with that bronzer, and then I'm going to take that bronzer on a brush that is a little thinner so I can pack that onto my lower lash line, just to even out the look. From here, you're going to apply your nude stick eyeliner onto your inner waterline, again just to brighten up that eye, and then you are going to apply your winged eyeliner. Now, since the eyeshadow is so basic and simple, the wing of your eyeliner will need to be big. I know that sometimes a lot of you try to get away with doing this little tiny baby wing. That will not fly with this makeup look, especially because of what we're going to add in a second. So right here, we're adding your glitter liner. Now this will depend on whatever you get assigned by Miss Torres. You will get either pink, which I'm using right now because that's what I have, either pink, green, orange, or blue, and I have at the end of this video those colors that you will need. So again, remember, whatever you're told that you have to wear, that's what you will apply. So depending on your color, you will apply your glitter eyeliner on top of the black wing that you just applied. So that's why your wing is very important. That's kind of the star of the show here. So if you do a very small wing, what's the point, right? So make sure that the wing is nice and big and bold and visible. Now from here, what I'm doing is I'm going into a pink eyeshadow now. And again, this will depend on your color. So depending on whatever color you got, you will apply that color to your lower lash line like you see me doing here. So you would either have pink eyes, green eyes, blue eyes, or orange eyes. And now what I'm doing here is I'm brightening my inner corner by putting highlights there, and then I'm applying this fuchsia lipstick. Everyone will apply the fuchsia lipstick regardless of the color that you put on your eyes. So again, whatever you're assigned is what you will put on, and this is what you will look like.